Hey kids, welcome to VishalKidsFun. Today we are going to learn A to Z alphabets in a fun way. In this all letters are mixed up, so put them in the right order. So let's start. So which comes first letter? A. It's A. This is A for apple. And the next letter is B. It is B. So, B for ball. C. This is C. C for cat. D. This is D. D for dog. E. This is E. E for elephant. F. This is F. F for fish. G. This is G. G for goat. H. This is H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. This is J. J for joker. K. This is K. K for kite. L. This is L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. This is N. And next O. O for orange. And this is O. P. This is P. P for parrot. Q. This is Q. Q for queen. R. This is R. R for robot. S. This is S. S for sun. T. This is T. T for tiger. U. This is U. U for umbrella. V. This is V. V for van. W. This is W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. This is X. Y. This is Y. Y for yogurt. And finally Z. Z for zebra. And now rearrange the all alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Completed. Now again read. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.